Hap around the house. We have a problem. I'm going to make cabbage and ham, called boiled dinner, tonight. It won't fit. The bone's too big. Usually, I'll take a hacksaw such as this, right here, and cut it. In fact, still have some hair from a deer that was cut up with a hacksaw. But today we're going to try the oscillating tool. All right, now I'm not going to put any ear protection on. I do have eye protection on just in case you don't want anything flying, but we're going to go through this a second. Oh man, there it is, perfectly cut. I'll tell you what, that is great. We can throw that in the pot. I'm gonna, of course, you can see that there's a little bit of maybe paint that scuffed off. You get that with using a hacksaw too. You'll get a little bit of paint on the bone, so I'm gonna wash that off so I don't. This worked really well. This is the cheapest Harbor Freight model. The only thing I wish it had was variable speed. I want to get one with variable speed. I'll put the link down to the bottom for the oscillating tool I really want. Also, I'll put the link for the blades, because you can save a lot of money buying blades on Amazon. Yeah, you can cut bone pretty easy with one of them. That thing there will cut bone just like butter. So this is Hap around the house. Thanks for spending a little bit of time around my house. And if you like the videos, hit subscribe and like. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.